Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Hyundai Elantra. I'm going to show you how to remove the engine cover. It's going to be a super easy job. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need any parts or instructional videos, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Alright, so now it's time to learn how to remove the engine cover. You're going to take off your 4 10mm head bolts, assuming you have all 4, unless you're on this vehicle and you've only got 2. There's one. Set that aside so we can't lose it. Come on over. Grab the only other one. Feels like it's gonna probably break. Oh, maybe, let's see. I think I got it. Bolt number 2. Set that aside. There's our engine cover. Easy peasy. So here we go. We've got our cover. We're just gonna go ahead and set it right up on here. Get it lined up. When I took this off, I had 2 bolt holes. I had one there. I got one right over here. So that's where they're going. If you want to get extra bolts and you want to tap out the broken ones, that's completely up to you. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to worry about it. Just going to see if I can get this started in here. This one. There it is.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.